Good morning and welcome to Monday, November 30th. Today we'll be building on what we started before break, where you were telling the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now we're diving in and looking at a eukaryotic cell and the organelles that make up the eukaryotic cell. So today's target is you're going to be able to describe the functions of the organelles in a eukaryotic cell when you're done with today's lesson. And here's an example of a eukaryotic cell. Just to quickly review, a way to remember is you do. You, when you look at it, means true. Carry means nucleus. So a eukaryotic cell has a true nucleus, and here's that organelle right there. So that's what we'll be focusing on today, and we will be in OneNote. So let's go jump over to OneNote. So you should have just finished recording your MindStretcher score in 4A on your data tracker. Now you want to go back into yours, and we're in skill building activities. So click on your name and it'll open up your tabs in your notebook. Click on skill building. And then today we're working on 4A, eukaryotic cell organelles. And so once you're there, you will see this page. And so the directions are also here. On page 88 in your textbook, you'll find a link to the virtual tour of an animal cell. And it's on the bottom right-hand side, and you actually have to click on those words. Clicking on the picture above it does not take you to the link, which I think is kind of crazy, but that's how it is. You will use button 1 of the interactive today. Now, using the virtual tour of the animal cell, it's an interactive cell where you click on the parts and it will tell you about them. If you don't want to do it that way, you also, what I've done in the table, so you'll listen to the virtual tour, and then I've created this table. And for each of these organelles, you're going to say what its function is. How does it function in the cell? And a function is its job or the role it has. And that goes in the first column. Is the organelle surrounded by a membrane? This would just be simply a yes or a no. And what does it contain? Some of them contain very specific things, and you would write that. If it doesn't have anything, which is unusual, you'll put NA, doesn't apply, or you could put nothing. Then here's where you could either use your book, or you can use, if you're in the virtual tour, they use the 360-degree view. Take a little snapshot, screen capture of it, and paste it there. So you can also see what the organelle looks like. And so you can if they give you a graphic or a diagram of a cell, for example, I did put a diagram for you up here. If you're giving this and say it doesn't have the labels there, you can start recognizing it. So that's why I included a picture. And for visual learners, this would be a great benefit. I've also gone in and put, if you want to read instead of having it say it to you, I have put pages there. Everything except for cell membrane, because that takes a whole section by itself. And so you would just continue on. It will be, I think, 79 or 80 if you want to get the cell membrane. But the easiest way to do cell membrane is through the virtual tour. And you can cut and paste the functions. That is perfectly okay. No issue with that. So your goal today is to complete this chart. You can complete it either using the page numbers I have given you here, so you have a text version, or you have the virtual tour where it's interactive and it will say to you. Another nice thing about the virtual tour is that you can actually look at the organelle from a 360 viewpoint. You can turn it and look at it from all different things. So that's today's activity. This needs to be done because tomorrow we are going to be building on this, and you'll be using this information, and you'll be constructing and designing a cell to do a specific job. So it's kind of necessary that you finish this today. Once again, just to review, go to your OneNote notebook. Down at the bottom, there's your name. Click on the arrow, it'll open up your tabs. Choose your skill building activities, and then go down to 4A, eukaryotic cell organelles, and you can do your work there. Hope this helps.